Hello everyone and welcome to my latest VectoriaDesigns project. This is using the new Dragon Lady kit, which is full of a fantasy feel images such as dragons and female warriors. And I've designed a folio which uses the journal pages, the largest of the journal pages this time. In the past, I've shown you ones with the smaller ones, but this time the largest ones to make a proper full-sized album. In the tutorial, I go through the basics, and since then I've gone and added some finishing touches. So in the video you don't see, but these are just little brad die cuts with some circles on them. There's no function to them, there's no magnets or anything, just a nice little finishing touch. And the back then I said I was going to add some bits which I had left over, which I have. And it opens, there's all magnets behind here, and it opens with this flap. And when I open this flap, you'll see more of the dragon papers. So detailed with that map in the background. And then when it opens up, you'll see I've used alternative spines. So we've got a spine here and here this time. And I said the pages themselves use the journal pages from the kit. These then are just some pockets using some of the pouches from the kit as well, just add extra places for journaling or photos or whatever you want. And then onto the main pages. So each of the pages are a pocket page, and I'll show you how to make them so they fit this, or if you're using just backing papers, how to make the measurements simpler in the video. One thing I don't do in the video is the photo cards, because that can be anything you want really. But if you want to make ones like mine, which fit in nicely, and I gotta say the border paper from the kit worked perfectly. They were just cards cut at 8 inches by 5 3/4. So I got 2 of them out of an A4 piece of cardstock and just cut a strip from the border page from the kit. And they just fit in to the page like so. In the video, I haven't decorated the spines either, so I've done that since finishing. Otherwise, the video would have just gone on and on and on. So the pages then open in alternative ways. So they just alternate left, right, left, right. So let's have a look at some of the pages. So another photo mat there. Some more of the images there. So I haven't put a strip on the back. I could do that too, but it just makes a larger photo mat there. Again, I've decorated the spines since finishing the tutorial. And then it opens, and I did say in the tutorial that I might do a little bonus project. So I've done a little folio closure, which I've finished off since the video as well. So you can see how in the video I stopped at this point because I didn't have the brad, but I've just stuck it on and then just put a couple of circle die cuts on the end. And yes, there is a bonus project in here. Let's just pull it out. So we've got a nice either ephemera or photo wallet, again with that Dragon Queen images, and it's just magnetized. Let's have a look at the detail of these papers. And some more of the dragons and the eggs. A little nice little tuck spot there. There's a pocket here, and then it opens up. We've got another pocket here. So I used a lot of the scraps from my folio, the bits I didn't use. And again, journal cards, again from the kit. And some more pockets as well from the kit. Literally just cut and stuck on more of that paper behind. I think that's my favourite one. So there we go. A 2-part project. We've got a little bonus one and our dragon lady folio, all closing up like so. So if you like this project and you'd like to make your own version, just stay tuned and I'll take you through step by step.